bit, guys, we're going to learn check login history on Messenger. And in order for us to do that, all we have to do is to launch our Messenger application. Then from here, I'm going to tap on the settings. After I tapped on the three horizontal lines, and then I'm going to scroll down till I find privacy and safety. Then I'm going to tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. And from here, I'm going to tap on security alerts. And here is where you can actually see your current logins or new logins that had occurred, and you're going to confirm whether they are yours or they are not. Once you've already done that and you've seen that they are yours, that is how you can actually check login history on Messenger or see logged in your Facebook Messenger. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.